Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download, set up, and use MinaProNet VPN with UDP mode for the fastest and most secure connection. Whether you're looking to unblock content, improve your streaming speed, or enhance your online privacy, this tutorial will guide you through every step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for the official UDP custom website. Make sure you're on the legitimate site to avoid fake clones. Once you're there, navigate to the free VPN section and look for MinaProNet VPN. Tap the download button and wait for the APK file to download. Before installing, go to your phone settings, enable installations from unknown sources, and then install the VPN. After installation, open MinaProNet VPN. Grant the necessary permissions and check your IP address to ensure everything is working correctly. For the best performance, enable battery optimization in the settings. Now, let's connect using UDP mode, which is perfect for streaming and gaming. Go to the connection mode section, select UDP tunnel, and choose UDP mode 1. Pick a server location like United States, New York, and tap Start. Wait for the connected status to appear. If UDP is blocked in your region, don't worry. You can switch to SlowDNS or Psiphon mode for an alternative connection. For apps like WhatsApp or Facebook, use the bundle mode under their respective options for optimized performance. You can also import custom server configurations or share your VPN connection via Wi-Fi hotspot. That's it. You're now ready to enjoy a fast and secure VPN connection with MinaProNet. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech guides. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.